Go, Mary! Come on, David! Come on, David! For me, I just played it aggressive. Got it in the brakes on the first lap. A lot of changing in that lead group. It was 5 guys, and then it would be down to 3, and then 5 again, 3, 5 again. Got caught with 6 to go. Missed the one move that looked really dangerous. DeFebre helped me get across the gap with 1 to go. Got there, and then we got caught again, so just tried to stay towards the front. Came down to a big field sprint. You won by quite a bit. That was about a meter.
Ah, yeah. It was fun times. Trying to really have no idea where my speed form is. I've just been doing long miles. Trying to get ready for the season, so it was a good test.
And who are you racing for next year?
It's a new team out of Chicago, Verizon Wireless. It's an under 25 team.
Excellent. And Logan, right?
Yep.
Logan Loader, what, your age 24 now?
21.
Just introduce yourself real quick.
Hi, my name's Mary. I'm racing with the Webcore and Haley and Jane this year. And I'm super excited to be on this team. And we've got a great men's team too that I can play around with. I'm super excited to be on this team. So.